joyful. Lovely bunch of people. So first of all, I did the day taster with the Association of Coaching. That's how I learned about it in the first place. And you know, when you do a day's training and you just come away absolutely buzzing.
Yeah.
I was like that, like, oh, this is what I've been waiting for. Why didn't I know about this? And then I signed up for the full-on course accreditation, and it was just a joyful experience. It was very participative, very authentic and honest. So I had the feeling, no, not more, I had more than the feeling. I knew that people were being their true selves on that course. So where people felt vulnerable or inadequate or that they needed some extra support, the safe space that we create in our own coaching one was absolutely there. What the career equation training did was just absolutely turn that on its head. So I never again thought, oh, what questions shall I ask next? Because, as you say, it's a story, it's a narrative. You're genuinely asking people, you're genuinely, deeply, fundamentally interested in who they are, what they're doing, what they want out of their life. And it gave me that, I don't know if it describes it, that inside out approach to another human being. And my partner says that my style of conversation is interrogative, you know, when I'm out or wherever. Um, but it has given me that. I always was curious about people, but it's just given me that. I can't think of another way of saying it apart from inside out.
Yeah.
It's inside out. Where's your light? What can I do to shine a light on your light to make it even brighter?
Yeah. Yeah.
And normal coaching methods don't do that. I recommend it 100%. And weirdly, I would recommend it whether or not you want to go into career coaching. I know that sounds really weird, but if you're doing life coaching or executive coaching, I think this kind of approach encompasses all the coaching mentoring skills that you would ever want to employ. And you can use the equation if you want, or just use the kind of tenets of it as you want. So 100%. Apart from anything else, it's really good fun. I don't know how much it cost now, but it wasn't expensive when I did it. It was half the price of my coaching and mentoring course at the university. So I felt like it was money, a very good return on investment, I felt. Many people as possible need to be given this gift almost as a right, as an entitlement.